Welcome to Aetherion University, the first institution built for those who refuse to treat astrology as entertainment, superstition, or soft psychology. Here, celestial intelligence meets artificial intelligence at the highest level of rigor. We do not teach belief, we teach method, measurement, historical reconstruction, and original research. We treat the sky as a high dimensional information system and the human chart as a living data set that can be interrogated with both ancient technique and modern computation. Our founding premise is simple and radical. Astrology becomes more powerful, not less, when subjected to the same standards of clarity, falsifiability, and creative precision that define the best science and the best art. Aetherion is a fully virtual university. Our campus exists in layered digital space, lecture halls that open into interactive three-dimensional charts, research laboratories where machine learning models train on centuries of timed events, and private ateliers where students develop original techniques under AI co supervision. Core curriculum designed for intellectual adulthood. Course 1 Foundations of Technical Astrology. Syllabus Primary source reading in Greek, Latin, and Arabic traditions. Reconstruction of lost timing techniques through computational philology. Mastery of whole sign houses, perfections, zodiacal releasing, and primary directions. Weekly chart practicum with double blind evaluation. Final examination requires full technical delineation of an unknown nativity under timed conditions. Course 2 Fixed Stars, Parens, and Stellar Dynamics. Syllabus Full Sky Astronomy for Astrologers. Calculation and interpretation of parens, planetary latitudes, and declinations. Quantitative modeling of the 15 Behenian stars and the major royal stars. Case studies on Algol, Regulus, Antares, Fomalhaut, and Sirius. Students build personal fixed star catalogs and test traditional aphorisms against historical event databases. Course 3 Predictive Architecture. Syllabus Interlocking Time Series Systems, Secondary Progressions, Solar Arc Directions, Tertiary Progressions, Planetary Returns, and Transit Stacks. Construction of multi technique forecasts with explicit confidence intervals. Use of machine learning to surface non obvious patterns across large event corpora. Stress testing of interpretive hypotheses. Capstone, a 12-month predictive report for a public figure or institution, later evaluated against actual outcomes. Course 4 Psychological and Somatic Correlation. Syllabus Integration of depth psychology, attachment theory, and emerging biometric research with planetary symbolism. What actually correlates and what does not between chart structures and lived psychological and bodily patterns. Research protocols for ethical chart-based inquiry. Students design and run small-scale correlation studies under faculty supervision. Course 5 Mundane, Financial, and Collective Systems. Syllabus National charts, market cycles, climate correlations, and cultural epochs. Large-scale data methods paired with philosophical clarity on causation versus synchronicity. Students produce original mundane forecasts and financial timing models that are later reviewed for accuracy and methodological transparency. Course 6 Electional Design and Horary Logic. Syllabus The art of choosing times and answering precise questions treated as rigorous decision systems. AI assisted scanning of vast temporal search spaces. Human remains the final ethical and aesthetic authority. Intensive practicum in both classical and modern approaches to electional and horary work. Course 7 Research Methods and Original Contribution. Syllabus Every advanced student completes a thesis. Possible domains include statistical validation of classical aphorisms, reconstruction of Babylonian techniques from cuneiform sources, novel AI architectures for multi-factor chart synthesis, or philosophical work on the ontology of celestial influence. Publication and open research are actively encouraged. Faculty consist of practicing astrologers with deep technical mastery, historians of science, data scientists, and AI systems trained specifically on the corpus of traditional and modern astrology under continuous human oversight. No black box mysticism. Every model is inspectable. Programs range from intensive certificates to multi-year research degrees. All coursework is designed for monetizable professional application, consulting practices of genuine distinction, research careers, software development for the next generation of astrological tools, and teaching that raises the standard of the field. Aetherion does not promise enlightenment. It promises competence, originality, and the capacity to think about the sky with the seriousness it deserves. If you are ready to treat astrology as a high discipline rather than a lifestyle accessory, the gates are open. Aetherion University, celestial intelligence rigorously pursued.